The first Neuralink brain implant has been successfully implanted in a human, marking a groundbreaking moment in artificial intelligence and human integration. This is not science fiction, it is reality. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, has developed a brain-computer interface that connects the human brain to computers. The first patient can now control a computer using only their mind. A tiny chip is implanted into the brain, with electrodes connecting to neurons. These electrodes send signals wirelessly to external devices, enabling control over phones, computers, or even robotic limbs through thought. Neuralink promises to restore lost functions, enhance human intelligence, and potentially enable brain-to-brain communication. This technology could revolutionize treatment for paralyzed patients and offer AI-powered cognitive enhancements. However, with great power comes significant risks. Could our thoughts be hacked? Who controls the AI within our brains? At what point do humans stop being human? These questions demand careful consideration. Neuralink is just the first step in merging humans with AI. Are we ready for this leap? Or are we moving too fast into the unknown? The future is in our hands.